Are you looking for the best mini milling machine? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best mini milling machine on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Jet 350017/JMD15 milling/drilling machine. The device's lightweight construction makes it easy for people with a small workshop to move it around. In addition to offering simple belt-driven drilling, it has the capabilities of a milling machine's table for precision cutting. One-piece cast iron columns provide the support needed to make the mill strong and effective. Jet 350017/JMD15, like all other machines, is tested to ensure it delivers consistent quality and meets high standards. The company has more than 750 service centers in the US, so you can be assured that experienced technicians will provide you with parts and services. This machine's 1 HP motor can create pieces from hardened steel and other tough materials. Depending on the materials you are working with and the precision you require for the finished product, you can adjust the speed of the machine from 110 revolutions per minute up to 2,580 revolutions per minute. For any type of work, the model has a positive quick-stop knob, which gives the user complete control. Furthermore, you will have easy-to-read depth gauges and belt covers and a belt adjustment feature to allow you to make the necessary customizations. Number 2. PROXXON Micro Mill MF70 37110. In case you have a limited budget, the PROXXON 37110 Micro Mill is what you should get. This is the best benchtop milling machine available today at this price point. It's smaller than other options, making it better for small workshops like the ones your average homeowner might have. It produces little vibration and is reasonably quiet. In particular, if you're concerned about waking up your neighbors, these features make this machine a good choice for homeowners. Thanks to its lightweight and slim design, it is easier to fit into tight spaces. It functions as well as other compact options without compromising on performance. Still, it is quite precise and works quite well. In addition to the cast iron base, the vertical column and compound table are made of aluminum. In all likelihood, it will last a long time. With its handwheels, this machine can be adjusted very accurately, which makes it ideal for use in precision-related situations. If you want to use this milling machine in jewelry, optics, electronics, or model construction, you should consider it. The axes on this machine aren't extremely precise, which is one of its significant problems. There is a tendency for them to move slightly away from zero when you adjust them. There shouldn't be any problem with this for most people. It may, however, be extremely frustrating for some people, especially if they're performing precision tasks. Number 3. 1330134.5 compact benchtop milling machine. A 13-inch swing tool is used on this single-phase milling machine. The tool can be used to create flat surfaces, angled edges, straight holes, contours, pockets, and slots, as well as other projects, so it can be used for a variety of DIY and crafting jobs. With a capacity of 5/8" end mills, 1/2 inch drillings, and 1 1/8 inch faces, the WEN can accommodate a wide range of cutters, bits, and mills. Left or right movement is possible with the bevel head. Depending on the speed, the low speed can go from 100 to 1,100 revolutions per minute, and the high speed can range between 100 and 2,500 revolutions per minute. On the x-axis, you can move the item 11 and 13/16 inches, on the y-axis, 5 1/8 inches, and on the z-axis, it can move 7 inches. You will find tooled ruler markings for your convenience in order to maintain complete accuracy. For stability, the base has bolt holes for anchoring the machine to a table. It weighs 130.1 pounds, which is a heavy enough weight to minimize vibrations. Hobbyists will find this milling machine very useful as it can do a variety of cutting, including aluminum, acrylic, and soft metals. Number 4. Shop Fox M1110 Mill and Drill. Another mid-range mill is the Shop Fox M1110. Despite the fact that it costs a little more than our top choice, it's not as expensive as certain other options on the market. You can mill more precisely with its 12 different lathe speeds. It has only 3/4 horsepower, which is less powerful than some other options. Although it is not suitable for all DIY projects, it should still work for most. Compared to other options currently available, this machine appears to be significantly less durable. You'll probably need to purchase another one in the near future because it doesn't seem to last very long at all. Due to the high price, you will probably end up spending quite a bit in the long run. The purchase of two moderately priced machines is quite expensive, as you might expect. The paint that comes with this mill is not high quality at all, so you will have to repaint it soon after purchase. Furthermore, you will need to keep everything clean and lubricated regularly. Number 5. Grizzly G8689 Mini Milling Machine. Grizzly G8689 Mini Milling Machine is an excellent choice if you want to mill small parts and tools. With its 3/4 horsepower motor, the machine can drill 1 inch, mill 1 inch, and face 1 inch with a wide range of advanced features. This small mill sets up quickly and securely on your bench, making it easy to control the cuts precisely. Additionally, its variable speed control and gear drives will guarantee you will have no trouble milling. The machine features a safety shut-off switch to ensure your safety while milling. Furthermore, you will be able to set the device for precise cuts through the adjustable depth stop control. If you need to work on small parts and tools, you also get a fine feed head control. Easy to set up knobs and controls simplify the setup process. Features, such as adjustable dovetail ways and zero-setting dials, ensure that you get accurate cuts with the best setup. Despite being a mini milling machine, you can use it for creating small engine heads for motorcycles. In most cases, however, it is used for small items, such as gunsmithing parts and tools. Thanks to its heavy-duty cutting tools, it is capable of milling hardened steels.